Hi viewers, I am Akansha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a PhD scholar of IIT Patna and I have done MTech from NIT Jalandhar. Today I will discuss some 8051 microcontroller with MCQ and quiz. So let's begin. The 8051 microcontroller is a 8-bit microcontroller. What does this imply? This signifies that width of the data bus is 8 bits. Microcontroller needs program memory to store program instruction to perform defined tasks. This memory is termed as ROM. The microcontroller also requires data memory to store the operand's data temporarily. This memory is known as RAM. The 8051 microcontroller is built of 4 kilobyte on-chip read-only memory and 128 byte random access memory. Next is a bus of the microcontroller can be defined as a group of wires which can act as a medium for transfer of data. There are two buses present in 8051 microcontroller: address and data bus. The address can also be used to transfer data from CPU to memory, and it is a obvious reason that the address bus is unidirectional. Interrupt. What is interrupt mechanism? Let us discuss. Temporarily suspend the ongoing program, pass the control to a subroutine, execute the subroutine, resume the ongoing program or main program. Now the 8051 microcontroller incorporates 5 interrupts: INT 0, external hardware interrupt; TF0, timer 0 overflow interrupt; INT1, external hardware interrupt; TF1, timer 1 overflow interrupt; R1 or T1, serial communication interrupt. Input and output port. The input port are responsible for the connection of microcontroller to its peripheral device. There is a total of 4 8-bit input-output ports present in microcontroller. Except this, there are some important features of 8051 microcontroller: two 16-bit timers and counters, a data pointer and a program counter of 16 bits each, 128 user-defined flags, 4 register bank general purpose register which are 8 bits each. Now I will discuss some of MCQ of 8051 microcontroller. First one is: special function register takes address from 00 to 07H, 80 to FFH, 10 to 17H, 18 to 1FH. Option is B. The 8051 provides 128 bytes of memory. 80H to 0FFH for special function register. SFR are bit, byte or word size register. Next MCQ is: which two port combine to form the 16-bit address for external memory access? Options are port 0 and port 1, port 1 and port 2, port 0 and port 1, port 0 and port 2. So option is D. In 8051, port 0 and port 2 are combining to access a 16-bit address for external memory. Next MCQ is match the following. TCON contains status information, SBUF timer oblique counter control register, T mode idle bit, power down bit, PSW serial data buffer for transmission and receiver, TCON timer and control modes of operation. So options are as shown. So answer will be option 1. TCON is another register used to control operation of counter and timers in microcontroller. It is an 8-bit register. It is an 8-bit register solely for serial communication in 8051 for a byte of data to be transferred via transmission line. It must be placed in SBUF register. T mode register is used to set different timers or counters to their appropriate mode so that it tells the user what mode is being used when operating any timer or counter. The program status word PSW contains status bit that reflect the current CPU state. TCON power control register is used to force the 8051 microcontroller into power saving mode. If you are watching till now, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you will get latest job update. Next MCQ is serial port interrupt is generated if bits are set. Options are IE, IE, IP, TI, RI, TI. Answer will be option D. 8051 has serial communication port and has related serial interrupt flag. When the last bit of a byte is transmitted, the T1 serial interrupt flag is set, and when the last bit or stop bit of the receiving data byte is received, RI flag gets set. Next MCQ is what is the default interrupt priority in 8051? Options are as shown. So answer will be option C. So highest to lowest priority of 8051 microcontroller, external input 0 noted as INT 0, timer interrupt 0, TF not, external interrupt 1, INT 1, timer interrupt 1, TF1, serial communication R1 plus T1. Next MCQ is in serial control, SCON register SCON .5 is used to. Options are transmit interrupt flag, receive interrupt flag, used for multiprocessor communication, receive, enable. Answer will be option C, used for multiprocessor communication. You can understand by this table, if you take a bit of 5, then its description is a multiprocessor communication bit. Switch of the day is in 8051 microcontrollers, so the bit that is used to start stop the timer or counter. Options are timer overflow, timer run, interrupt enable. Please comment the answer. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.